Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Mullah Coding Mala and then I am a student of Jahan College from last 3.5 months. Today's review, Tedx reviews, is about a powerful and emotional talk by Linda Cliatt-Wayman. The topic is how to fix a broken school. An extraordinary school principal who transformed failing schools. Her message is simple: to fix a broken school, you need two things: fearless leadership and develop love for students. Let's to go deeper into her amazing lesson. Leadership begins with coverage. When Linda entered a failing school, she faced violence, poor academic, and hopeless students. But she don't run away. She stepped in boldly and said, "If this school is broken, I will fix it." Point number two: students need love and respect. She treated every student with dignity. She listened to them, supported them, and believed in them when no one else did. High expression. Lunda told her students, "You deserve better, you deserve excellence, just raising expectations and the school's cultures." Consistency and discipline create success. She added rules, structure, and daily routines. Small improvements every day lead to big results. My last point is never give up on kids. Linda said that you can't fix a schools unless you believe every child can success, no matter how difficult their backgrounds. Key point explains. Fixing a schools requires fearless leadership. Students don't need emotional and academic support. High expectation, create high achievement, discipline plus consistency is equal to success. Never give up to any childs. Linda message is powerful. Leadership is not about position; it's about coverage and love. When leaders truly care, schools can change and students can rise. Thank you for watching this TEDx review. See you in next one. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.